That's the computer, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. This is the battery to battery charger. This is going back into the back of the van, looking at the 4 batteries. You can see the frame that I'm building for a second level of shelving. This is the frame for the bed. Looking back out, you can see the bed. I'm going around to the front. We're going around to the back now. And here you can see the rest of the batteries. This is an air compressor. This is a circuit breaker that protects these batteries from hurting the battery up in the front of the car. Right now it's just these batteries are just being charged by the battery in the front of the van. This switch is off because I don't have the DC lighting done yet, but you can see I started to wire it up. This is the positive bus bar. This is the positive power distribution, and you can see I've got tiny cables going out to each of the individual batteries right here, these red ones. And then this big fat red one is the one that comes from the charging in the front of the car. You can see here all the distribution to this. This is the fuse panel for the 10. This is the fuse panel for the 12 amp. This is the fuse panel for the 12 volt lighting in the car. So this is stopping and starting that. You can see I doubled up these cables right here and here. And then I've got this monster cable. It's actually a double red cable going to the back of this Cobra. This is a 2500 watt supply, and you can see the double power going right here. The 2500 watt supply means that it can produce about 250 amps DC. So I have a circuit breaker right here at 250 amps DC, and right now it trips the minute it starts drawing more than 2500 watts. This thing can peak up to 5000 watts, but I want to see what's causing it to peak, and right now it's the coffee pot and the air conditioner are causing it to go over 2500 watts. This is the negative power distribution panel. It's set up the same way as the positive. This switch right here disconnects this entire system from the chassis ground so I can work on it. And that's it. You can look at the framing underneath for the bed. You can see there's no middle supports, so I'm hoping that's going to work.